Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Translate. Having opened up your Google Translate, next thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here. Then go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on Use Translate without an account. Click on here. And you can see you can now start using your Google Translate without an account. Whatever you do right here, it has no any history on a particular account. For that, we can go ahead and see how you can use Google Translate without an account. So for that, we can select a primary language right here and choose our translated right here. So I'm going to translate from English into another language right here. I'm going to translate from English to German. Then I'll click on here and say how to use Google Translate without an account. And when you type, it automatically translates to your chosen language. You can click on here again and change to another language. So I'm going to switch to Spanish right here, and it will translate the same message into Spanish. So we can go ahead and switch to another language from here. Then we can switch to Chinese right here, Chinese tradition, and it's going to automatically translate without any stress. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.